In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arch text in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to place your text neatly along a curve so it follows a smooth professional arc. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and heading to your canvas. On the left side, look for the Shape tool. Click it to reveal the shape options, then choose the Ellipse tool. Now click and drag on the canvas to draw your circle. If you want a perfect circle, hold the Shift key as you drag. It can help to give the circle a visible stroke and remove the fill so you can clearly see the edge you'll be working with. Next, zoom in so you can work precisely. You can use your zoom controls or the zoom tool, whatever you're comfortable with. Move your cursor slowly over the edge of the circle. As you hover along the circle's outline, watch for the cursor to change to indicate you're on a curve. When you see that change, click once on the edge to place your text insertion point directly on the path. Now you can type your text and it will flow along the circle as you go. If the text lands on the inside of the circle or upside down, don't worry. You can adjust its position by dragging the small start and end brackets that appear on the path. Sliding them around the circle will reposition where the text begins and ends. You can also flip the text to the other side of the path by dragging the small baseline handle across the circle's edge until the text pops to the outside or inside, whichever you prefer. Once your text is on the curve, style it just like any other text in Affinity Designer. Adjust the font, size, and weight to match your design. If the letters feel too cramped or too spread out, increase or decrease the tracking to fine-tune the spacing around the curve. Centering your text along the top of the circle often looks great. Simply drag the start and end handles evenly or use your alignment controls to help balance the layout. If the circle was only a guide, you can keep it subtle by reducing the stroke weight or turning it off, leaving just the arched text visible. And if you need to make small corrections, zoom in again for precise adjustments. That's it. Open the app, draw a circle, hover until you see the on-curve indicator, click, and type. With a few tweaks, you'll have perfectly arched text ready for logos, badges, and headlines.